Hello everyone and welcome again to our class. Last time we talked about the different community and environmental health problems. Today we are going to address these problems by providing ways to prevent and manage environmental issues. For our most essential learning competency, at the end of the lesson you'll be able to suggest ways to prevent and manage environmental health issues and participate in implementing an environmental project such as building and maintaining a school garden or conducting a war on waste campaign. By the way, I would appreciate if you will subscribe to my channel where I post all the lessons in MAPE. And if you like this video, please leave a like and comment once the lecture has ended. So let's get started. So our last lesson for health in this quarter are ways to prevent and manage environmental issues. First, let's define what is the meaning of environmental protection. Environmental protection is the practice of protecting the natural environment by individuals, organizations, and governments. Its objectives are to conserve natural resources and the existing natural environment and, where possible, to repair damage and reserve trends. Why do we need to study environmental protection? Because environmental problems are serious threat to our lives. Excessive exposure in different environmental problems like pollution can endanger people's health and even animals. These environmental issues that we have discussed last time can be seen by long-term ecological effects, and some of which can demolish our whole environment. So what are the different ways to prevent and manage environmental issues, and how can we help in solving environmental problems? First is to observe proper segregation. When we say segregation, it means separating biodegradable or segregating biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Waste segregation is already included in law because it is much easier to recycle. Effective segregation of waste means that less waste goes to landfill, which makes it cheaper and better for people and the environment. It is also important to segregate for public health. Second is observe the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. The 3 R's, reduce, reuse, and recycle, all help to cut down the amount of waste we throw away. They conserve natural resources, landfill space, and energy. Cut down on what you throw away. Follow the 3 R's to conserve natural resources and landfill space. Third is to limit or avoid using non-biodegradable materials. Non-biodegradable materials or waste are the type of waste that can be recycled and reused. Buy less plastic and bring a reusable shopping bag. Fourth is do not throw away chemicals, oils, and paint down the sink, drain, or toilet. Choose non-toxic chemicals in home and office. If we all do this, we can significantly prevent water shortages and reduce the amount of dirty water that needs treatment. Fifth is to use environmentally safe cleaning liquids at home and other public places. Using natural cleaners also contributes to a healthier environment. They help reduce pollution to airways and air. Conventional cleaners can easily seep into a water supply, and water treatment plants have difficulty treating a large volume of such chemicals. Over time, this can trickle down to wildlife and other natural resources. Next is to do not overuse chemicals and pesticides for your gardens and farms. Pesticides secrete into soils and groundwater, which can end up in drinking water, and pesticide spray can drift and pollute the air. Yung paggamit natin ng mga pesticides para pamatay ng mga insekto na nakakapag-irita sa atin, maaari yan makapag-cause ng air pollution. So, dapat iwasan natin yung paggamit ng mga ganyan. And then, plant more trees and vegetables. Trees provide food and oxygen. They help save energy, clean the air, and help combat climate change. And also, this could also be a source of food for all of us. And then another is to be a smart traveler. Bike more and drive less. This could help reduce air pollution from combustions from vehicles, and it could also help improve our health and contribute to solving problems in traffic, especially in urban places. And lastly, conserve energy and water. Energy conservation can save money, increase your property value, and protect the environment all through simple energy-saving measures such as turning the lights and appliances that are not in use. Yung lagi binibilin sa atin ng nanay natin na patayin natin yung ilaw kapag hindi natin ginagamit, ihugutin natin sa saksakan yung mga appliances na hindi naman natin ginagamit, yun ay nakakatulong para makapag-conserve ng energy. Water conservation also means using our limited water supply wisely and caring for it properly. So nakakatulong yung pag-conserve natin ng energy at saka water sa ating kalikasan. Another topic that we would like to discuss are the 5 R's, which consist of refuse, reduce, reuse, recycle, and rot. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng refuse? Ano ba yung mga bagay na dapat nating i-refuse or hindi nating tanggapin? So first is yung single-use plastics such as bags, bottles, cups, and utensils. Halimbawa kapag kakain tayo sa labas ng mga take-out, mga ganyan, wag na natin tanggapin pa yung mga plastic cups or yung plastic utensils na ibinibigay nila kasi one-time use lang yon. These are disposable items. And another is yung freebies like party favors, hotel toiletries, and disposable items and junk mail. Lahat ng mga bagay na yan, hindi na natin yan dapat pang tinatanggap kasi nagdadagdag lang yan ng basura. Second is to recycle. Ano ba yung mga bagay na pwede nating i-recycle? Those are plastic, paper, and aluminum and tin. Itong mga bagay na to is pwede natin siyang ulit magamit at pwede din natin siyang mabenta. So makakadagdag din siya sa source ng income natin at the same time makakatulong sa ating environment. Third is reuse. So ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng reuse? Ibig sabihin gagamitin mo siya ulit. So practice borrowing and sharing item, repair instead of replace, rethink the items that you already have. Huwag tayong parang laging nagpapabudol na bili ng mga items na hindi naman natin kinakailangan kasi nakakadagdag lang siya sa basura at yung mga bagay naman na pwede natin gamitin na pinapalitan lang natin is ganun din. So nasasayang lang sila. Kaya we have to practice reusing items rather than buying other items. And lastly is to rot. Ano ibig sabihin ng rot or yung bubulukin? So throw food waste in warm bin and let worms turn your waste into a high quality fertilizer. Yung mga biodegradable materials like yung mga food waste, pwede natin itong ma-decompose at magamit para maging high-quality fertilizer. So nakakatulong na tayo sa environment at the same time, mapapakinabangan pa natin yung mga yon as fertilizers. So how can you start a zero-waste lifestyle? First is to advocate eco-friendly alternatives such as reusable water bottles, bamboo toothbrushes, and reusable lunch bags. So another is to join cleanup drives. Check your local community activities at mag-participate tayo sa mga ganong klaseng advocacy para makatulong tayo sa paglilinis ng ating kalikasan. And be aware of your own impact. Sabi nga dun sa quote, ours is a finite earth, let's be stewards of our environment because you can make a difference. Hindi naman infinite itong environment natin eh. Sabihin, maaari siyang mawala sa atin anytime. Kaya kung hindi natin ito papangalagaan, paano na yung kinabukasan nating lahat? At ito ay isang concern na hindi lamang dapat nakaatang sa balikat ng mga officials or ng mga leaders ng ating bansa, kundi sa bawat isa sa atin. Kasi syempre tayo ang nabubuhay dito sa daigdig na to. So kung hindi tayo tutulong para pangalagaan ang ating kalikasan, then dadating na lang yung araw na pagsisisihan natin na tayo din mismo ang sumiras sa mundo na kung saan tayo nakatira. Sabi nga dun sa isang quote, convenience at the expense of the environment is not convenience at all. Kadalasan yung mga inconvenience na nararanasan natin sa panahon ngayon, kasalanan din naman talaga natin yan dahil sa pagpapabaya natin sa ating kalikasan, di ba? Kapag nagkakaroon ng mga baha, yun tong sobrang init na na-experience natin sa ngayon, lahat ng yan ay dahil sa pagpapabaya nating mga tao sa pangangalaga sa ating kalikasan. Kaya sobrang halaga na magkaroon tayo ng awareness tungkol sa mga problema na kinakaharap ng ating kalikasan. At hindi lang tayo maging aware, kundi meron tayong gawin na hakbang sapagkat meron tayong magagawa para pigilan itong mga problema na ito na nangyayari sa ating kalikasan. So that ends my discussion for this quarter, and I hope that you learned something from me. Leave a like and comment on this video if you like this content, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. I appreciate all the love from you guys, so stay safe and see you again next time.